In this video guide, we will give you detailed instructions that will help you to remove pop-up advertisements that are related to the site devbrowser.com. So some people may pretty suddenly see these strange pop-ups by the site devbrowser.com. According to our research, there have been some other similar websites, and these similar websites even look pretty much the same, with the same picture and the same titles. All these pop-ups and this pop-up too, devbrowser.com, they all try to make you subscribe to the intrusive advertisements that will be displayed as push notifications. The pop-up says that some incredible application was found to protect your mobile phone, but when you click on some button, you are actually forced to click on this allow button actually. And if you do that, your browser gets hijacked with multiple advertisements that would keep attacking the screen. Therefore, you should not click on that allow button. If it was mistakenly clicked, go to the menu of your browser, go to settings, choose privacy and security, site settings, scroll down to permissions and choose notifications. Now research the sites that are allowed to send notifications. You need to remove this malicious site devbrowser.com and also remove other junk sites from the list. Finally, I would recommend that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get its fresh version on the page combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, install the program, and then begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.